Special Edition.
There's a massive face-off between the Aam Aadmi Party government in Delhi and the centre over a new bill. The Chief Minister is elected by the people in the hope that the choice will work to transform the capital and their lives. If the Chief Minister fails to perform, we also know we have the power to hold him or her accountable. But the new bill brought by the centre in Parliament wants to change this arrangement so that any decision taken by the Aam Aadmi Party government is vetted by the LG. The voting on the bill is likely on Monday. The BJP has issued a whip. Let me open this up for a debate. Charu Pragya, spokesperson of the BJP, Raghav Chadha, MLA, national spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party. Charu Pragya, in the 1998 NDA government notification, in the 2014 BJP Lok Sabha manifesto, the BJP wanted statehood for Delhi. Why are you trying to undermine an elected CM through this bill?
First of all, Pranesh, this is not about undermining anyone, and least of all the Honorable Chief Minister of Delhi. This is about making sure that there is a correct structure of governance in NCR and there is harmonious relationship between the state and the centre. We have seen in recent times, especially on the 26th of January and a little bit of time before that, how this disquiet between the state and the centre is harming the people of Delhi, is harming the law and order of Delhi. And what culminated in the 26th of Jan was there for everybody to see. The whole world watched Delhi.
No, so you believe this bill will settle the disquiet and the differences?
This bill is basically going to define the roles and responsibilities of both the Lieutenant Governor. Delhi has a Lieutenant Governor and we all know that. And that
Delhi also has an elected Chief Minister, Charu Pragya. Respond to that, Raghav Chadha.
And nobody is taking away the power of that.
Okay, let Raghav Chadha come in now.
Any system is only as good as the people who are a part of it. So if the people cannot make the system work, the system doesn't work on its own.
All right, let's get a response from the Aam Aadmi Party. Yes.
So a couple of quick points. First, I'll very briefly respond to the reasons given by the spokesperson of the BJP to bring in this law. And then I'll, of course, give you my interpretation of how things stand and why this bill is actually being brought about. She says the following things. First, she says that this bill has been brought about to clarify the governance structure of NCR. First of all, this bill has nothing to do with NCR. This bill is all to do with NCT, that is the National Capital Territory of Delhi, and not the National Capital Region that involves Gurgaon, Faridabad and other satellite towns. That's point number one.
Yes.
Point number two, she says that apparently there is some disquiet between, or let's say frequent run-ins between the elected government and the Lieutenant Governor, and as a result of which they wish to further clarify the position and give a lot of powers to the LG and undermine the elected government of Delhi. Now, the elected government and the Lieutenant Governor had a few run-ins prior to the July 2018 Supreme Court judgment. Before that, the then Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung tried to usurp the power of the elected government, undermine the elected government. Every decision taken by the Kejriwal government was withdrawn or, declared null and void. And we moved the Supreme Court, and finally Supreme Court interpreted the Constitution, the constitutional scheme of things, and said that the elected Chief Minister is the boss. That is where the buck stops. People vote the Lieutenant Governor, the people vote for the Chief Minister and not for the Lieutenant Governor. And it is the elected that will run the administration and not the selected that will run the administration. And I'm happy to inform that subsequent to July 2018 Supreme Court judgment, there have been no run-ins. There have been no disquiet. There has been no tiff, and the administration has absolutely been smooth. So therefore, your second reason also goes for a
All
toss.
right.
The third reason.
I'm completely out of time. I'm sorry, Raghav Chadha, Charu Pragya, we're completely out of time on this one. This comes up in the Parliament hopefully on Monday. Let's see how that unfolds. But thank you for joining us with your points of views. Thank you.
The News Hour Special Edition will be right back after this break.